Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. Welcome back to another video. You guys, we're out here living our best life, doing all of the things. And you know I've been into fashion very much lately. And so here I am with another haul, y'all. Another try on. And I wanted to share some pieces with you guys. Now listen, I've been working with Shein for a long time. And just in love with their pieces. I have found some of the best pieces on this website. So here's what I want you to do. You want to shop my picks. I'm going to have a link in the description box below. Also, you can search my code. It'll be down here. It'll be down here on the screen. You can search my code and then see all the picks that I picked, right? Find you some amazing things. So I was looking for a couple of things. It is fall and it is getting a little bit cooler. A lot of times I have a shorter sleeve dress. And in order to up my fall fashion game, I got a few things from Shein. Just so you're going to have time to order for Black Friday or Cyber Monday. Get in on these deals. Again, use my code to see if you can get some discount on a few of these pieces. So the first piece I want to share with you guys, listen, I'm into leopard. I'm into animal prints, right? And so I sing in the band at church and I keep asking them, are we going to have a leopard Sunday? Can we have a leopard Sunday? Somebody make some noise for the leopard. Where? Anybody? No, okay. So I got this Shein Classy Woman's leopard print long sleeve long dress. And it is fire. I paired it with some red accents. And let me just tell y'all, the only thing I couldn't find was a red belt. So I think next time I'm picking pieces, I'll pick for a red belt or look for a red belt if I can find one, because I wear a lot of red. I love red. Red makes me happy and it goes with so many things. So as you're looking through these pieces, you guys let me know what you think is your fave, okay? Because some of these might be your fave. Some of these might not be your fave. Now, all of the dresses that I got were in a size medium. I am currently 177.2. That is my weight. I can see body recomposition because of the weight training. I was 182 at my highest of the low. Now I'm back to 177.2. My goal weight by December 31st is 175. If I could be in between 168 and 172, that would be great. If I could be 165, that would be amazing. With good body structure and body composition. I don't want to look sick. I just want to look nice in my clothes. So the second outfit that I'm going to share with you is the Shein Unity Plaid Print Bodycon long sleeve dress. Now this, when I ordered this, I didn't really read that it was Bodycon. I was just looking at the print and I love the way it looked on the model. And y'all, it's pretty Bodycon. So again, size medium, and I do have some front tummy work. I had on my undergarments plus a body slip slimmy. So I had on underpants slimmy and a body slip slimmy. So I had on two slimmies and it still had some stomach there. So a large would have been better for this particular dress, but not in all the dresses. Like the leopard dress would have been better in a small, and that was a medium. So I think it's just the way the dress is made, but then I also think that because my body is changing is the reason why they look different. So I didn't do a video of this one because from the back, it was very form-fitting and I didn't want to have that image on the screen, but I did do a frontal picture, so you'll be able to see that. And just let me know kind of what you think. I still have room to grow, not get wider, but room to grow as far as slimming up my stomach, doing a little bit more core exercises for that particular garment piece. Okay, so I've been looking for some pieces for speaking engagements. And so this next piece I think would work amazingly for a speaking engagement. Again, I probably should have paired red accessories, but I didn't have the belt, and the belt was necessary for this dress. Raffinéa Women's Fashionable long sleeve lapel collared stripe dress, right? So it has diagonal stripes and then it has horizontal stripe, vertical stripes. So diagonal stripes on the top and vertical stripes on the bottom. This is in a red, a black and white. This is in a black and white, but I really wish I had the red belt. If I had the red belt, I would definitely have went in all in with red accessories. Even wish I had a red hat, but I didn't have a hat. But not that I would have wore that into the pulpit to preach, because I would have just kept it very simple, what I wore here. But I think that would jazz it up for outside of the pulpit, right? I think it would jazz it up for work days. I think it would jazz it up for days I have to just be in my office. Or even if I needed to go to a work meeting, I could put a red blazer on. That would pop it as well. I could also put on a black blazer, again with my red accessories, and that would pop that outfit as well. So this next piece that I got was blue. Now, I don't typically have a lot of blue. I have a lot of black. I have a lot of red. I've been putting in some colors, but I don't typically have a ton of blue because I don't have blue shoes. I did not wear red accessories with this one because I didn't want to be red, white, and blue, right? It was not close to the 4th of July. But this is the Shein lady striped pattern, long sleeve. They say belted dress, but this dress did not come with a belt. Now, I have been trying to also find a silver belt that has circles. So I have to keep looking for that one. I did find one years ago at Cato Fashion, but I haven't been over there in a while because I think it would have given some contrast to the dress. Although this dress had lots of contrast with the solid color top and sleeves, and then just a little inset on the hip, on that left hip, the white and blue stripe, which I thought was really cute. But now it sat a little funny. It was a little puffy, more puffy than I would like it. I think it was just the material. I don't think it was anything. It wasn't my hip. It was just the material. But I think you can still work with it, especially if I were able to find a good belt that had like a piece that would hang on the side, because it would keep some of that puffiness out. So I really like this one. And again, looking for dresses for Sunday, because we sing in different colors. Different Sundays are different colors, as well as a few pieces for speaking engagements. Okay, another piece that I got, which was really, really cute and fun, was the Shein all over print tie front shirt dress. Now, the model in the picture is a little bit, her waist is way smaller than mine. So this fits like I have a wide waist, but I still love this print. And then the belt is wide. And so I tied it around the back and then brought it around the front to tie that little knot. And you could actually bring it around the front and then cross it over and tie it in the back and put a knot in the back, which I think that's what I did. I can't remember. But that was good too. This comes in a lot of different colors. I like it in this tan, kind of tan black color, because it's very versatile, especially during this fall season. It can even fit into the early spring season because it's still kind of a little bit crispy cool, but the material was nice. All of the dresses that I tried on had really nice material. Nothing was overly heavy. Nothing was squeezing. All of the dresses fit extremely well, with the exception of that one bodycon dress. And again, that's just because in that particular style of dress, I should have sized up one, but I have a strict rule of not going into larges. It's one of those things that you're dealing with when you are dealing with online orders. So you kind of don't know what you're going to get or how it's going to fit till you get it and try it on. And then the last one I got was a Clasi women's long sleeved button front printed mid-length casual dress. And it was just a random print. So I love this print. I've seen this on several different websites and just thought, hey, this would be really cute. And again, for work, casual, it's a dress, it's long sleeve, it's long, not short, which I prefer. This is in the navy blue color, but they have a ton of different color options for you. So if you're interested in any of these picks, you guys check Shein's website. In the search box, type in my code and it'll bring up my picks for you. But I also have those picks down in the description box below. I just want to say this: if you are new to online ordering or you haven't given it a try, just give one thing a try, a couple things, make the shipping worth your while. Just give it a try. Use my code. There's a potential to get some discount off. And just see how you like it. I am a definite try it oner person, But what I've noticed is every piece that I've gotten has fit this body frame. Some fit different than others, but I've been able, and even sometimes you can go on and look at their reviews and see if it's fit to size, or order one size larger, because they'll give you those reviews on their website. But I've ordered from Shein for quite a few things and have never been disappointed. I've always wanted a mature wardrobe, and so Shein is offering me this opportunity to have a mature wardrobe. And you guys, you can have the same just in time for Black Friday or some Cyber Monday ordering. You can enjoy some of these pieces as well. So there it is, you guys, the review. If you like this video, feel free to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and let us know in the comments what was your fave. Not interested in what wasn't your fave, but if you had a fave, let us know what that one was. And do know that I am working every single day on my health journey. I'm working on my weight. I'm working on my body recomposition because I want to look good and I want to feel good in the clothes that I wear. So anywho, y'all, there it is. Thank you so much for stopping by. Again, like the video. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye now.